Here are some home and daily life events or things that every child should know. Ulo, house. Ulo, house. Uzo, door. Uzo, door. Ụgbọ ala, car. Ụgbọ ala, car. Ngaji, spoon. Ngaji, spoon. Ụgbọ elu, airplane. Ụgbọ elu, airplane. Oche, chair. Oche, chair. Nri, food. Nri, food. Mmiri, water. Mmiri, water. Ite, pot. Ite, pot. Iko, cup. Iko, cup.